You asked, how to divide 1215 by 9 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 12. 12 divided by 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Bring down 1, making 31. 31 divided by 9 equals 3. 3 times 9 equals 27. 31 minus 27 equals 4. Bring down 5, making 45. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. 5 times 9 equals 45. 45 minus 45 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 135.